If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start in crypto, let me save you some time. That moment is now, but not because the market is up or down. It's because the right system is finally available. The crypto code is the easiest way I've found to get into crypto without all the typical headaches. No complicated research, no charting, no overpriced courses. You just plug into the system and go. You start with WaveBot. It runs 24/7 and handles trades for you based on proven setups. You get trade alerts, just copy, paste, and profit. And you get full training, a private group, and live portfolio tracking so you can see exactly what real traders are doing in real time. If you've been thinking about crypto but didn't know how to start, this is your invitation. Download the free guide I created, How to Automate Crypto Profits in Just 1 Hour, even if you're brand new. You'll find the link in the description. Don't wait. This is the easiest entry point I've seen, and it works.